We live in a world that's always telling us who to be. From the moment we wake up, we're bombarded with messages from social media, advertisements, and even well-meaning friends and family. These messages tell us how to look, how to act, and what to strive for. They paint a picture of an ideal life that often feels unattainable, leaving us feeling inadequate and constantly chasing after something that isn't truly ours. Do more, be more, strive for perfection. The pressure to excel in every aspect of our lives can be overwhelming. We push ourselves to work harder, to achieve more, and to never settle for anything less than the best. This relentless pursuit of perfection can lead to burnout, stress, and a sense of never being good enough. We become trapped in a cycle of constant striving, always reaching for the next goal, the next achievement, the next validation. It's easy to lose ourselves in the noise, to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. We become so focused on meeting external expectations that we forget to listen to our own inner voice. We lose sight of what truly matters to us, of what brings us joy and fulfillment. The constant rush and the never-ending to-do list can make it difficult to find a moment of peace, a moment to reflect on our own desires and aspirations, to forget what truly matters to us. In the quiet moments when we allow ourselves to step away from the noise, we can begin to reconnect with our true selves. We can start to remember the things that make us feel alive, the passions and interests that we may have set aside in our quest to meet others' expectations. These moments of reflection are crucial for our well-being, as they help us to realign with our own values and priorities. We chase other people's dreams, fulfilling their expectations instead of our own. We often find ourselves pursuing goals that were never truly ours to begin with. Whether it's a career path chosen to please our parents, a lifestyle adopted to fit in with our peers, or ambitions driven by societal standards, we end up living lives that don't resonate with our true selves. This disconnection can lead to a deep sense of dissatisfaction and a feeling of being lost. But deep down, we long for authenticity, for the freedom to be our true selves. We yearn for a life that reflects our own values, passions, and aspirations. This longing for authenticity is a powerful force that can guide us towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life. It requires us to be honest with ourselves, to acknowledge our true desires, and to have the courage to pursue them, even if it means going against the grain. How do we break free from these external pressures? The first step is to recognize the sources of these pressures and to question their validity. Are these expectations truly aligned with our own values and desires, or are they imposed upon us by others? By critically examining the influences in our lives, we can begin to separate what is truly important to us from what is not. This process of self-examination is essential for reclaiming our autonomy and making choices that are true to ourselves. How do we reconnect with our authentic selves? One effective way is through self-reflection and mindfulness practices. Taking the time to journal, meditate, or engage in activities that bring us joy can help us to reconnect with our inner selves. These practices allow us to tune out the external noise and to listen to our own thoughts and feelings. They provide a space for us to explore our true desires and to gain clarity on what truly matters to us. It starts with understanding our values, the guiding principles that shape our beliefs and actions. Our values are the foundation of our authentic selves. They are the compass that guides us towards a life that is true to who we are. By identifying and embracing our values, we can make decisions that are aligned with our true selves. This process of self-discovery and alignment is a journey, but it is one that leads to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. One powerful tool for self-discovery is a values collage. It's a visual representation of what matters most to you, a tangible reminder of your true north. Creating a values collage is a journey of self-reflection, a process of uncovering the beliefs and aspirations that lie beneath the surface. It's a simple yet profound exercise that allows you to explore your inner landscape and connect with your authentic self. Gather old magazines, newspapers, photographs, or any visual materials that resonate with you. These items will serve as the foundation for your creative journey. Think of them as the building blocks of your inner world, each piece holding a fragment of your thoughts, memories, and dreams. As you collect these materials, pay attention to the emotions they evoke. Are there certain images that make you feel nostalgic? Do some colors bring a sense of calm or excitement? This process is not just about gathering items, it's about connecting with your inner self and understanding what truly resonates with you. Spread them out in front of you and allow yourself to be drawn to images, colors and words that spark joy, inspiration, or a sense of recognition. This is a moment of exploration and discovery. Take your time to sift through the pages, letting your eyes wander and your mind open to possibilities. Notice the textures, the contrasts, and the harmony in the visuals. This is your chance to explore the vast landscape of your imagination. Don't rush this step. Let it be a meditative experience where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the visuals before you. Don't overthink it. Let your intuition guide you. Trust your instincts and allow your subconscious to take the lead. Sometimes the most profound connections are made when we let go of logic and embrace our intuitive side. If an image or word catches your eye, there's a reason for it. It might be speaking to a part of you that you haven't fully acknowledged yet. Embrace this intuitive process as a way to uncover hidden aspects of yourself. Cut out the images that speak to you and start arranging them on a large piece of paper or canvas. This is where your inner world begins to take shape. As you place each image, think about the story you are telling. How do these pieces fit together? What narrative are you creating? This is your personal collage, a visual representation of your inner thoughts and feelings. Don't worry about making it perfect. The beauty lies in its authenticity and the unique way it reflects your inner self. Play with different compositions, layering images and adding personal touches. This is your chance to experiment and let your creativity flow. Try different arrangements and see how they change the overall feel of your collage. Add elements that are uniquely yours, whether it's a doodle, a piece of fabric, or a handwritten note. These personal touches will make your collage truly one of a kind. Remember, this is a reflection of your inner world, so let it be as vibrant, complex, and beautiful as you are. Enjoy the process and take pride in the masterpiece you are creating. As you step back and look at your finished collage, notice the patterns that emerge. What themes or values are most prominent? Are there any surprises or unexpected connections? The images you've chosen reveal your deepest desires, your unspoken dreams, and the values that are most important to you. Each image holds a story, a reflection of your authentic self. Take the time to journal about the images you've chosen and what they represent to you. Section 5. My Collage, My Crossroads. I remember creating my first values collage during a time of transition and uncertainty. It was a period in my life when everything seemed to be in flux. My career, which I had once been so passionate about, no longer felt fulfilling. I was constantly questioning my choices and wondering if I was on the right path. The idea of creating a values collage was introduced to me by a mentor who believed in the power of visualizing one's goals and aspirations. At first, I was skeptical. How could cutting out pictures from magazines and gluing them onto a board help me find clarity? But I was willing to try anything to get out of the rut I was in. I was at a crossroads in my career, feeling lost and unsure of which path to take. The pressure to make the right decision was immense. Every day felt like a battle between my head and my heart. My head told me to stick with the safe, stable job that paid the bills, while my heart yearned for something more meaningful. I felt like I was standing at a crossroads, with multiple paths stretching out before me, each one shrouded in uncertainty. The fear of making the wrong choice was paralyzing. I needed a way to visualize my options and gain some clarity. As I flipped through magazines, I was drawn to images of nature, creativity, and connection. Each image seemed to resonate with a part of me that I had long neglected. Pictures of lush forests, serene lakes, and vibrant flowers reminded me of my love for the outdoors and my desire to reconnect with nature. Images of artists at work, colorful paintings, and intricate sculptures spoke to my creative side, which had been stifled by the monotony of my daily routine. Photos of people laughing, hugging, and working together highlighted my need for meaningful connections and a sense of community. It was as if the collage was helping me rediscover parts of myself that I had forgotten. When I looked at my finished collage, I was surprised by how clearly it reflected my desire for a more meaningful and fulfilling career. The collage was like a mirror, showing me what I truly valued and what I wanted out of life. It was a powerful visual representation of my hopes and dreams. Seeing it all laid out in front of me made it impossible to ignore the truth. I realized that I couldn't continue down the same path and expect to find happiness. I needed to make a change to pursue a career that aligned with my values and passions. It gave me the courage to make a change, to pursue my passion for writing and helping others. The collage became a source of inspiration and motivation. Every time I looked at it, I was reminded of what I was working towards. It wasn't an easy journey, and there were many obstacles along the way. But having that visual reminder of my goals kept me focused and determined. I started taking small steps towards my new career, enrolling in writing courses, volunteering for organizations I cared about, and networking with like-minded individuals. Slowly but surely, I began to build a new path for myself, one that was aligned with my values and passions. The Values Collage was more than just a creative exercise. It was a transformative tool that helped me navigate a difficult period in my life and find my true calling. Section 6. Embracing imperfection. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create a values collage. It's a personal and intuitive process. Embrace imperfection and allow yourself to be surprised by what emerges. The beauty of this exercise lies in its ability to reveal your true self, even the parts you may not be fully aware of. Let go of perfectionism and allow your intuition to guide you. Section 7. The courage to be you. Creating a values collage is an act of self-honoring. It's a reminder that your values matter, that your dreams are worth pursuing. When you live in alignment with your values, you experience a sense of purpose, fulfillment, and authenticity. You have the courage to be yourself even when it's difficult. You are enough just as you are. Section 8. A journey inward. The journey of self-discovery is ongoing. Your values may evolve over time, and that's okay. Revisit your values collage regularly, adding new images or making adjustments as you grow and change. Use it as a tool for reflection, a reminder of what truly matters to you. It's a visual representation of your inner compass, guiding you towards a more authentic and fulfilling life. Section 9. Your values, your vision. Take the time to create your own values collage and unlock the power of self-discovery. Embrace your true self, live in alignment with your values, and have the courage to create a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Your values are your compass, guiding you towards your true north. What will your collage reveal?